can't access your Twitter account? Here's how to recover it step by step. Step 1. Open Twitter. Go to twitter.com and select Login. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, click Forgot Password. Step 3. Find your account. Enter the email address, phone number, or username connected to your Twitter account. Then click Next. Step 4. Choose a recovery method. Twitter will show the recovery options available for your account. Choose the email address or phone number you can access and request a verification code. Step 5. Enter the code. Check your email or phone for the verification code from Twitter. Enter the code and continue. Step 6. Create a new password. Once Twitter verifies your account, create a new password. Use a strong password that you haven't used on another account. Step 7. Log back in. Return to Twitter and sign in using your account information and new password. If you no longer have access to the email address or phone number connected to your Twitter account, your recovery options may be limited. If you believe your Twitter account was hacked, use Twitter's official account access support instead of giving your password or verification codes to anyone claiming they can recover it. And that's it. Follow these steps to reset your password and recover access to your Twitter account.